Maharashtra remained in focus today as environmental concerns, a tragic investigation, and political reactions dominated the headlines. The first major story comes from Mumbai's iconic Juhu Beach, where large amounts of plastic waste and marine debris have washed ashore following high tides and heavy monsoon rains. In response, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, or BMC, has intensified its cleanup operation by deploying heavy machinery, additional sanitation workers, and round-the-clock shifts to remove the accumulated waste. The situation has once again highlighted the growing challenge of marine pollution and the urgent need for better waste management and public awareness to protect the city's coastline. Meanwhile, in Pune, police have registered an FIR in connection with a case that has drawn significant public attention. According to Deputy Commissioner of Police Milind Mohite, the investigation is based on a note and videos reportedly shared by the deceased on social media. The case involves allegations of financial harassment, and investigators are now examining all available evidence to determine the circumstances that led to the tragic incident. Authorities have assured that a thorough investigation is underway and that appropriate legal action will be taken based on the findings. On the political front, Shiv Sena spokesperson Krishna Hegde reacted to several national and state-level developments. Speaking to the media, Hegde commented on reports surrounding the alleged resignation of a Trinamool Congress MP, meetings between MCP leaders and Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, allegations made by former US President Donald Trump against China, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent engagements. His remarks come amid continuing political activity and shifting alliances, keeping Maharashtra's political landscape firmly in the spotlight. From environmental challenges and a sensitive criminal investigation to political developments, the day reflected the diverse issues shaping Maharashtra's public discourse.